Aloe vera is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, all of which contribute to cell turnover and help with the renewal of healthy hair cells. These vitamins also boost shine and promote strong hair growth. Not only that, but aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. This means it helps improve scalp health, clearing away dead cells and allowing for better hair growth. It also acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, soothing any irritation or inflammation on the scalp. And guess what? Aloe vera is also a natural conditioner that leaves your hair feeling soft and hydrated. Who wouldn't want that? Now that you know what's inside aloe vera, let's talk about the specific benefits for your hair. Promotes hair growth. Aloe vera increases blood circulation to your scalp, which stimulates hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Prevents dandruff. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, aloe vera can fight off dandruff-causing fungi and reduce scalp irritation. Strengthens hair strands. Aloe vera contains amino acids that strengthen and repair your hair from within, making it less prone to breakage. Balances scalp pH. Aloe vera helps to balance the scalp's pH level, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy environment for hair growth. Natural conditioner. It hydrates and conditions your hair, leaving it shiny, soft, and smooth. No more dry, brittle hair. Now that you know why you need aloe vera in your hair care routine, let's get into the how. There are several ways you can use aloe vera to promote healthy hair and scalp. One of the simplest and most effective ways to use aloe vera is to apply its fresh gel directly to your scalp. Here's what you do. First, start with a fresh aloe vera leaf. If you don't have a plant at home, you can also buy pure aloe vera gel at most health stores. Next, cut the leaf open and scoop out the gel. Apply the aloe gel directly to your scalp, gently massaging it in for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps stimulate blood flow to your hair follicles, promoting growth. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, allowing all those nutrients to penetrate your scalp. Finally, rinse it out with a mild shampoo. Doing this 2 to 3 times a week can significantly improve the health of your scalp and promote faster hair growth. Want to give your hair an extra boost of hydration? Try making an aloe vera hair mask. Here's a super simple recipe you can follow. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: mix the aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and honey in a bowl until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, making sure every strand is coated. Put on a shower cap and let the mask sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse out the mask with lukewarm water and shampoo. This mask is perfect for dry, damaged hair because the coconut oil helps moisturize, and the honey adds shine and softness. You'll be left with silky, smooth hair that looks and feels incredible. Method 3. Aloe Vera Leave-In Conditioner. Did you know you can use aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner too? It's lightweight and doesn't make your hair greasy, so it's perfect for daily use. Here's how to make your own leave-in conditioner. First, mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with half a cup of water. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. After you wash and towel dry your hair, spray the aloe vera mixture on your damp hair, focusing on the ends and any dry areas. Finally, style as usual. This leave-in spray will help lock in moisture, reduce frizz, and give your hair a healthy shine. Plus, it's super easy to make and use. Now you might be wondering, is aloe vera good for all hair types? The answer is yes. Aloe vera is gentle and natural, making it suitable for all hair types, whether you have curly, straight, or wavy hair. It's especially beneficial for people dealing with hair loss or thinning. Aloe vera promotes hair growth by improving blood circulation and strengthening hair strands. Dandruff or dry scalp. Its anti-inflammatory and hydrating properties soothe irritation and combat dryness. Dry, damaged hair. The moisturizing effects of aloe vera can repair and nourish dry, brittle hair. If you have any of these issues, aloe vera can be a game changer in your hair care routine. Now that you know how to use aloe vera, you're probably wondering, how long will it take to see results? Well, like any natural remedy, patience is key. While some people notice improvements in their hair's texture and shine within a week or two, it can take 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use to see significant hair growth. Remember, every person's hair grows at a different rate, so don't get discouraged if results take a little time. And here's your bonus tip for watching till the end. To supercharge your aloe vera hair treatment, try adding rosemary essential oil to your aloe vera gel or mask. Rosemary oil is known to stimulate hair growth, improve circulation, and prevent hair thinning. Just add a few drops to your aloe vera gel before applying it to your scalp and hair, and you'll be giving your hair the ultimate growth boost. There you have it, the secret to using aloe vera for hair growth and scalp health. It's natural, effective, and so easy to incorporate into your hair care routine. Give it a try and watch your hair transform. If you found this video helpful, don't stop here. Check out our next video on other natural remedies for healthy hair and glowing skin. You don't want to miss it.